Are you a Walmart seller in the USA and want to make more money? If so, in this video, I'm going to show you how to expand to Walmart Canada. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is just simply log into Walmart. So you're going to log into seller.walmart.com. After you're done this, you're simply going to go to the top right corner and click markets. So you can see right here, I can actually change markets. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I can change to Mexico. Soon, Chile is going to be available. But right now we have Canada. So you can actually click on this and expand to Canada in a couple buttons. Right when I click expand to Canada, it says remember to use English. So I'm going to agree to use English. After that, it's going to take me to a page is loading, and it's going to automatically change us to Canada. So what we need to do to actually get approved in Canada is add market details, manage fulfillment, get paid. Canada also has an anti-money laundering check. So if you are laundering money, Canada is not the place for you to go. And number 5 is to set up your catalog, so you can fill that out. So add details, manage fulfillment, set up payments, fill out, and then finally, once you're done 1 through 4, you can set up your catalog and start selling in Canada. The great thing about Canada is there is almost no competitors compared to the USA. So that's a great way to do it, and not a lot of people are doing 2-day shipping. So if you're shipping it directly into Walmart's fulfillment center in Canada, you're going to be like one of the only sellers. And as you know, first come, first serve. If you're in first, you're going to be making a lot more money than the other sellers. You can just do it yourself and go to walmart.ca and check out the competition, and you're going to realize there's not that much competition. Now, there's also another way. You can just type in Walmart seller Canada, apply on Google, and then the application is going to come up to sell in Walmart Canada. And if you wanted to sell in Walmart USA, you can say Walmart USA, apply. And then it's going to come up with selling in Walmart USA. Don't do any sponsored links because it might take you to the wrong place. So as you can see, this one, seller.walmart.com, that's set up. And then Canada it looks almost exactly the same to set up, but it is a little bit different. So you can see the differences right there. So here's an example. If I'm doing it on Google and I click sign up, yes, it says seller.walmart.com, but if I click Canada, then it says literally Walmart Canada Marketplace. And if I select Mexico, or Chile. So you can sign up for different marketplaces or the United States. I recommend to always get approved in the US first and then go from there. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you're planning to expand to Walmart Canada and why. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us, or you could schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z management service for Walmart. This is where we're going to manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, expansion internationally, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you, save time, money, and increase your sales with EHPconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.